guys, welcome to episode 3, part 1 to How to Make Rainbow Friends game. Today we'll be setting up for the later episodes. So, if you like bananas, like and subscribe, and let's get on to the action. Yeah! So, we're gonna need some things. If you don't know what this episode's about, it is about we're basically gonna make a thing where it randomly puts these parts in random spots. So every game wouldn't be just them being the same exact spot. So I'm gonna make a bunch of these. I'm gonna make at least 5. So we can actually see one of them being random. So now we got the 5th one right there. So we're gonna go to workspace and we're gonna insert a folder. We're gonna put all these little things into the folder. Put them there. We're gonna name the folder, I'm gonna name it hello. Because on the coding, I'm gonna put it as hello. But if you want to name it someone else, you can. But since that's not a lot, I will be telling you a little bit of this. You might notice I changed this up. So, this part down here is not actually doing the thing. This part is. So, if you just want it, instead of making a specific part you have to touch, you want to walk into a center area, just scale it really high or really low, depending on how you want it, but whatever. But I will leave a little bit of coding in this. So, first of all, you probably won't need the this script, where basically it takes it from you. Well, at least for now, but we're gonna add something to server script service. And it's gonna be a normal script. So we're only gonna do the first 30, 40 lines of code. So we're gonna start our coding with this. Hold on. Local word space equals game colon service workspace. Local layers equals game get service players. Local folder equals workspace colon find first child And this is where you're going to enter the name of the folder. So if your folder is called rainbows, you're going to put rainbows. But mine is hello, so we're going to put hello. Local come part equals workspace on one. Find first child. Come. So that reminds me, we're gonna have to go to that part that I was talking about. The name come. We're gonna name it come. Now, if not folder, then so this is gonna give you a warning if they can't find the folder hello in the workspace. So warn you can put whatever you want in this, but as long as it tells you that folder is not in it. Also, I would put like commas, like like hello, not found in workspace. Now we're gonna add a return. If not, come start. Then this is gonna be another word. Warn. 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 Part. Come. Also, whatever you name that part that does it, it doesn't have to be named come. For example, with hello, as long as you name it something and you put it there, it'll work. Not found in work space. Same thing as return earlier. Return local local function get parts in folder. And one of these circular brackets to be more exact. Local parts equals these curvy line bars. For I, comma, OBJ in folder get children. Or one. Colon get children. Then do if OBJ colon is a part, then parts square brackets number sign parts plus 1 equals OBJ. Then down here, we're gonna add a return parts. Then we're gonna go down, enter local function get unassigned item tools. Circle or bracket, assign the tools. Local tools equal curvy brackets. For I, comma, OBJ in workspace, colon, good children, do. If object is a tool and OBJ's name equals item and not assigned tool OBJ, then tools square brackets number plus 1 equals OBJ. Return tools. So this is the end of part 3 part 1 of part 3. So, see you guys in part 2. Bye.